Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. We are going to be doing some Rust code review from someone from Neva who posted. Oh, how's it going, Carmu? I'm here. You're here. You're fast. That was fast. I just clicked the button just a second ago. You're really quick. Thank you for joining in. I'm actually really excited because we're going to go over the Hello World bun from Neva Crean. Neva Crean over here. Here's Neva Crean's GitHub. Let's visit the site. Let's go over here. Pull this up. All right. So actually, I think I already had it over here. Let me see. So I already had it in a window. Here we go. Yeah, you made it in. That's so great. It's so great to have you here. I'm excited. So we'll be reviewing this package. I'm going to clone it here really quick. I'm going to see here. See if. Oh wow. So Neva has done a lot of stuff. Hey Torv, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're going to look at this code that Neva posted for us. I'm actually kind of excited because it's what I wanted. It's what I wanted to build yesterday. And so what we can do is we can use that to then sort of learn better how to use the burn library in Rust, and we'll see if it turns out. See, one of the things I also wanted to double check is, does it use my my accelerator? Right? Does it use my hardware accelerator? I don't know. I don't know if it does or not. I think it does. It didn't seem like it did yesterday, even though we tried. It was using all my CPUs, and of course, it was probably doing a lot of encoding because it didn't cache anything when it was doing the encoding. So I think that might have been all the CPUs. We'll check. We'll pull it up. I'll double check. All right. So let me see here. Let's do a git clone. We'll copy this over here and pull this into our code base over here. All right. Let's leave behind this here. Let's leave behind this. Are you better than most average coders? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I strive to be proficient. There we go. I strive to be proficient. And so we could leave it at that. All right. So let's see here. We'll just do, let's see, MV stock price prediction to the desktop where it's going to go to live. It's going to go to live over there. I might delete it later. Okay. MKdir. Stop. Well, actually, you know what? Git clone is what we CD desktop. Actually, let's get out of here. Oh no, I closed the window. All right, I don't know what. All right, hold on a second. See, I don't know. Oops. See, what? You're not supposed to see that. 1 second. All right, here we go. You saw nothing. Now I have to reposition all the windows. It was all pretty before. That was all pretty before. How's it going, Neva? Good to see you. Thank you. You know what? We're going to be going through your code today. We're going to go through your code. CD desktop, then git clone that. CD burn hello. And then we're going to say tmux. All right. So we're going to go through your code here. Let me see. Let me double check. I had all the windows all pretty. I have to reorganize the window now. All right. So let me see. Make sure I get this the right shape here. This needs to go up a smidge. All right. I had it so perfect. Like I had it pixel perfect. All right, I need to adjust it for pixel perfection. Hold on. We're going to zoom in on this. We're going to zoom in. All right, 1 second, you guys, 1 second. I need it to be perfect. All right, is it there? Yeah, all right, looks good there. Let's pull this up here. All right, I think that's sufficient. Is it? No, yes. All right. I'm decently happy with that. All right, there we go. I accidentally closed the terminal window and I had it like all perfectly set up for the stream. Okay. How's it going, Furball Center? Furball Center, welcome on in. We're going to go over Neva's code base here today. We're going to walk through it. I just cloned it, ls here. So by src. All right, let's go through the main rs. Here we go. We're going to go through this and we're going to run it. We're going to run it too. Hey, Eddie Legendary, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy to have you here. We're going over Neva created a little Hello World burn library file for us. We're going to walk through it. I'm actually kind of excited. Oh, good. You did Adam W. Nice. The other examples were using just Adam, not just Adam W., which did a little bit better. A smidgen better. Hey, how's it going? Dill Pickle. Thank you for the 100 jewels. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing to all that 100 jewels? Wow, thank you. That's wonderful. Why? Thank you. I don't know. I'm going to go FurryCon, by the way. A real furry. All right, Furball Center. There you go. Gotta live your best life. Live your best life. I got 200 lines only, which is pretty good. 200 lines only is pretty good, especially for the burn library, which has a lot of lines. It's like not a little bit of lines. That's a lot of lines. Just a smidgen more lines than I'm prepared for, coming from PyTorch and other libraries. This one is not a user-friendly one. Neva, thank you so much. Like close to PyTorch. It is pretty close to PyTorch, isn't it? It's really close to PyTorch. Dill Pickle, thank you again. That was wonderful. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You're so wonderful. All right, let's walk through this. All right, so we've got some code here. Compact recorder. What is this? Is this for saving the file? Artifacts. Okay, it is. So this is for saving the file. Train model should be saved successfully. Nice. That's neat. Save file. There you go. Compact recorder. Instant. What? Oh, so this is the current time, right? Is that what that is? Now it is. It's current time. There you go. We're figuring it out. We know what's going on. The Furball, do you have like a costume too? Yeah, I know. That's what I want. I'm wondering if Furball has a costume. Do you have a costume, Furball? All right. So data loader, obviously that's going to load in our data, although it's not being used anywhere. Hey, this is not being used. Really? You're not using data loader? I suppose you don't need to. You don't at all need to, obviously, because what's the point? What's the point? You look different in live than in your profile picture. Okay. I guess a little bit different. I was wearing different clothes, right? No, was I? Maybe I need to. I've got a hoodie on now. Got other things. I'm older. That's a smidgen older. I think the data loader is a trait, so you're using the method. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, got it. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. LS cargo build. Let's see if we can build it. All right. I'm actually kind of curious. So let's keep walking through. All right, autodiff is a run trait autodiff WGP. I have no idea what that is. I don't know what's going on here. What is this? What is that? Live looks better. Does it really? All right. Well, hey, we're live now. That's the way. And that's all right. Thank you. Well, thank you. All right. See. Hey, look. I was like right here. Look. I was wondering about that. Look right there on the screen. Right there on the screen. Autodiff is when you need gradients. Is it? Okay, got it. Hey, look, we're not using it. Auto differentiate. Got it. Okay, cool. Search it up. Search what up? I'm a protogen. I don't even know what that is. What's a protogen? I missed that comment. I don't know what that is. Okay, so is it done building? It sure does like to take a while to build, doesn't it? It's a good builder. The warning app. So the data loader, it looks like it wasn't even used at all. You said a trait though. It seems like. So let's see if we can comment it out. Let's see if we need it. Cargo build. We'll rebuild this, you guys. You are a protogen. Eddie, what set did you build last stream? What set? I don't know what set. Okay, so there we go. So I guess we didn't use data loader. We're good to go. Stop condition. This kind of neat. No improvement since. Oh, that's kind of neat. So you can just have it keep going until it gets to a certain condition. Okay. So here's one of the great things about the burn library in Rust. It has a lot of built-in things that it kind of looks to me that it mostly forces you to use, in that it is really helpful for every project for the most part. Like, for example, with PyTorch, I can bring my own stuff. I can bring my own stop conditions. I can bring my own whatever I want. And it seems like the burn library, it's just a smidgen more extra required that you just a bit more. Super Fast and Furious Lego set done now. Nice. All right, Fast and Furious. There you go. I can give you the set number if you want. I'm actually kind of curious. Eddie Legendary, what's the set number? We'll look it up. We'll see what you built. I want to see it. Let's see what you built. All right, let's see what else we got here. Split. I don't know what that's specifically for, but early stopping, metric early stopping strategy is, okay, interesting. Got it. No improvements, metric loss, aggregate mean. All right, direct lowest, split valid. Oh, okay. So it's going to split the data and validate it. So that makes sense. And it's going to have a condition here on this. A protogen is a robot furry, and you might be wondering what a robot furry. Well, a protogen is a furry with a robot helmet mask. Whatever it is that you want to call it. Hey, there we go. All right, now we know. Thank you, Furball Center. I appreciate it. We're learning new things. All right, 422. All right, let's look it up. All right, Lego set. And you said 42204. Bop. All right, here we go. Furious Supra MK4 set. All right, we're going to check it out. Let's see what this looks like. I'm kind of curious. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. I remember this. I remember this car. Is this in the first one? Like the very first one, right? The very first one. There we go. Yo, the Tech Man, how's it going? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Nice, it is. It is nice. That's awesome. That looks like it is quite detailed, and it is a bit more than I was expecting from Lego, right? Is this Lego? Because Lego's usually like, got those components you could there's a lot of custom pieces here. It looks just like a whole bunch of custom pieces. I'm sure it looks like there's some bed stuff, some other things like the roof, the spoiler over here. Neat. That's pretty neat. Eddie Legendary, thank you for showing. Thank you for sharing that with us. Oh, those pistons go up and down? Do they really? And the wheels turn too? No way! I can see that they've got kind of the wheels tilted here. And so does it connect in with, is there like a connection thing with the wheel and the steering wheel? By the way, you should pin a comment saying you liked and subbed. Oh, wait, is there a way to pin? Is there a way to pin? I'm actually kind of curious. How do we do that? Nice. Very nice. It can't? From the wheel knife. On to the there. What? Under the there? What do you mean? All right. This is kind of neat. Can we see others? Let's see what the other ones look like. Let's see if there's any other angles. All right. I'm just kind of curious to check it out. Ooh, nice. I like that. The backside looks, it's even got it can even open up here. Neat. Oh, wow. It's kind of, I like that. I got that. It's got the hood, the boot, the hood and boot. You can just pin the comment here or pin my comment. How? Oh, is there a pin button here? I'm going to try. Pin message. Oh, there is a pin message feature. Look at that. All right. Which message do we want to pin? And a Ram soda, just a drink with a stick of Ram in it. All right. There you go. All right. That's the vibe you got. This is a car guy's dream. Is it? Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice Eddie Legendary. All right, I'm going to click this pin button. I don't know what that's going to do. Pin it. Pin message. Boom. Pin. All right, message pinned. Yes, you can just pin and put the comment. There's pinned now. I don't know what's going. Everyone's going to be like, what's this pinned message for? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Why is that there? We'll find out. Subscribe. Oh, the subscribe and like. Okay, there we go. I'll pin this one. 1 second. Dismiss pin, and then we'll go over here. I wonder if I can add that back. Here. Let's see. Unpin. All right, here we go. Pin this one. All right, now it'll be more obvious. There we go. Pin message. Subscribe and like. Perfect. Subscribe and like everyone. There you go. I like that. That was awesome. All right. Let's keep going. Let's do cargo run really quick. I'm actually kind of curious. Run, and then we will close that window. Oh, no. Not found in the such file or directory. Result unwrap. We got an error. Did you run this, Neva? Did you run this? Wait 1 second. Let's see here. On the top, there's a knob that turns the wheel. Oh, it does? Hey, the lost code. How's it going, the lost code? We're looking through this file here. Check this out. By SRC. We're looking through this file where Neva wrote this file for us. It's the Hello World for Burn. It's broken right now. We're going to figure out how to fix it, though. We're going to figure make the file. My ignore was bad. Oh, was it? Vi.get ignore. Okay. Training. No, your ignore was fine. That looks perfectly fine. Although, no, that actually looks perfectly fine. Training output looks good. Cargo build. It builds. It just doesn't run. Vi cargo. Toml. Scribe and like. Oh, hey, there we go, Torva. There's another one. We can pin that one too. I wonder if we can pin more than one. Pin message. Replace pinned message. Okay, there we go. Subscribe and like or join our Discord. There you go. I like that one. For the pin. Pinned Torva's message. Pinned. It's pinned. We got it, you guys. We pinned it. All right. I'm actually really excited. All right, so what is the deal? WebGPU, it's right here. Web GPU, we're looking good here. We're looking good. Web GPU's right here. So why cargo run? Why is it not run? Panicked. Okay. Unwrap. There's an unwrap. Where is our unwrap at? We have to go see where the unwrap is. Main RS 9 right here. Line 196. 43 characters in. All right. 196. Here we go. Right here. Right here. It doesn't like it. Oh. We figured it out. I know what that is. I know what's going on. All right. We can fix that, you guys. Do you still code without AI? I do, right? Oh, someone, I do. Sergen? I do. Hello from Russia. St. Petersburg. Nice, Sergen. It's good to have you here. Yeah, we do so hold on. Copilot disable. There we go. It's gone now. It's gone. C. Okay. Cargo build. All right. So that's what we'll do that earlier. All right, we can fix this. All right, so that was, you were absolutely right, Neva. You were absolutely right. My cat is attacking me. Oh no, Karma Gupta. That's what cats do. They like it. Your favorite drink is soda. Ram soda with a stick of ram in it. I'm drinking some right now. I mean, if you're opulent, right? Because isn't ram really expensive right now? I can send some pictures in the Discord if you want. Yeah, do it. Eddie Legendary, do it. Throw it on Discord. Like PC RAM. I know, right? Isn't it PC RAM? That's an opulence. It's a baller statement, right? Baller statement. You're saying, hey, I'm wealthy enough to have wasted RAM in my beverage. If AI shuts down, so many vibe coders will go in and panic. They will. I know. They'll totally panic. We're finding out. So you saw that Bun was acquired by Anthropic, right? They bought. How's it going, Kyle? Welcome on in. Unique X over there. How's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Why not, right? Why not? Isn't it crazy? Could you make an AI model that makes a Lego model and gives you the parts needed and the blueprints to build it? Yeah, I mean, you could. I don't think you need AI for that. You don't necessarily need AI for that. I'm MC loving it. All right. Oh, hey, it's the real Arnold McDonald. the real Ronald McDonald, you guys. You're McLovin' it. All right. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for McLovin' it. Thank you for McLovin' it. Subscribe and join our Discord and the like and Steven's profile. Thank you, guys. What part of the car? Yes, sir. Do you have 3D printer? Nope, I don't. Well, we used to have one at the office, and then 2020 happened, and then we closed the office. Because we couldn't go in because of the pandemic, right? Remember? All right, here we go. So you were right, Neva. It was the directory. So what we could do is we can just make a directory. All right, cat.get ignore, and then we're gonna go over here and we'll say was it mkdir? All right, there we go. Now it's gonna work, right? Cargo run. It won't panic now. We should probably match it though. We should probably run a match. Hey, there it goes. Oh, whoa, that was instantaneous. It was. Did you see that? Did you even see that? We need it. We need to. All right, there we go. All right, so where we go. So what we could do here is we could say match this. All right. I remember. Match. Hello, Blum. How's it going? Emo Amon Music. Welcome on in. Good to see you. I do a lot. I do laugh out loud, but it doesn't work. I'm buying the new soon. Maybe I was thinking of the P1S. Got it. Okay. Sounds fine. The lots code A. Okay. So we could create. I got it. Match, and then it'll try. Case okay. I guess underscore. Do nothing. You know what? What is it called? What is better than match? Like, what do we do better than match here? I wonder if we've got any matches. All right. The live is about the Hello World burn code. It is. Yes, that's the Hello World burn code. That's what we're going through right now. I want better. I want better than match. Let's see if we can do that better. Rust by example, match, unwrap or. Okay, unwrap or else. I want to do this here. We're looking at this right now. I want to unwrap or else, or something, or something else, right? So blah 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 blah. Where is it at? Here it is. Unwrap or. I guess this is what we want. Right here. Let's try this. It'll be nice and tidy. So we don't need the match statement here. We said right here, paste. Pasted. All right, there we go. Unwrap or else, and we'll just say print. Is there a print ln? Is it an exclamation point? It is, yeah. Okay. Print ln exclamation point because we're in Rust. And we go, dir not exist proceeding forward. All right, let's double check. Let's double check that. Armdir, wait, okay. I added a small fix, so it's no longer an issue. All right, Nevo, cool. That sounds good. We actually just added one too. So you can just do a poll, and then, okay, I'll poll here in a sec, actually. I want to see if my fix did a trick as well. Where was it? Where was your code at? Was it over here? Okay. We're gonna look at it. So we're gonna look at it real quick. Let's see what you did, and we'll compare. Was it 196 around here? Here we go. It was around this range. Where is it at? Where's that at? Create. Oh, wait. Oh, if error. Oh, that's cool. Hey, I like yours better. Yours is much better. If let. Using if let. I like that. If let's much nicer. Very nice, Neva. That's great. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Much, much better. Much better. I like it. I like it a lot better. All right. You want to know something? Regret doing in a FurryCon. Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know about a regret. Bro, who taught you to deal with people so nicely? You are a great streamer. Hey, thank you. Thank you for saying. Maybe over the years. I mean, I don't know. Or it's just me. That's just how I am. That's just how it is. This is actually always going to be a print. It will always be a print. Got it. All right. What's this piece of code we've gotten the most frustrated about in your entire programming life? I've had it. It's true. I've had it for probably early days of Rust. Because Rust is a very challenging language, especially like 6 years ago when the compiler and everything was, not very mature yet. You would do something and then you would fail. You'd be wrong. The compiler would be saying, "Oh, you got to do this instead." So then you follow the instructions of the compiler, and then it'd be like, "Nope. You're wrong. You got to do this instead." So you're like, "Okay, fine. I'll do this instead." And then it just keeps going in a circle. It keeps going in a circle. That's it. Hey, how's it going? Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Wednesday. Rust is the most brutal learning curve ever. It is, yeah. It's definitely. We were like so frustrated. Or the code is like, come on, what? Compiler, just tell me what to do and stop telling me what to do, but making it something that won't actually work. Mr. Lamb, good afternoon, sir. What's Iron Man on these days? Iron Man? Are you talking about like the athletics thing, or are you talking about the Marvel hero? Seems like programming hell. It kind of is. It is. It kind of is. Let's see here. Wolves, hey, how's it going, Wolves? Hey, Steven, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, Wolves. Welcome on in. Wow, we got everyone's here today. This is great. We got everyone. All right, so I'm gonna do a git poll. I like yours better. Although I wanted to see if this is gonna work. Let me just check this out. Cargo build. Let me see if mine works. Oh, it doesn't like that. Unclosed delimiter. Oh, right. Here we go. Let's see if that works. Cargo build. Unwrap or else expected closure that takes one argument. Takes 0. Well, okay. This must be the E. We'll say _E because we don't need it. Although I suppose we could. Okay. Oh, wait, did I do that? No, I did. I said _E. It still works. Help if this is intentional prefix with I did. Did I not save it? Save. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay, there we go. Haha, there we go. All right, see, we figured it out. We did it differently, but we figured it out. I'm going to do a poll on yours, though. Can we do _E? Is that something we can do? Can we do that? I don't know if we can or not. Is it going to be fine? Is it? Okay. I want to see what it prints out. I'm excited. Okay, Quantified Quantum, sounds good. There once was a program that had a space instead of an indent in a function that always displayed a mistake. And the space was so innocent that I had to deal with it for 3 hours. That sounds like rough. That sounds rough, doesn't it? Hey, I've texted on LinkedIn regarding the guidance for Gen AI. Oh, all right. Text me again and again. There's a lot of text on LinkedIn, and it's like a lot. So you'll have to be loud just in case. Makes a difference. Wolves. And in a good news, from 1st December, I've started my internship based on JavaScript and no-code platform. Hey, very nice, Wolf. Congratulations. That's great. If you have LLVM on your system, I do, yeah. You probably want to set up your linker to be LLD. Gonna be speed buff. All right. Isn't the default in the latest version of Rust C dash dash version? I've got nightly. Do we need to Rust up? Because isn't the latest version of Rust use LLVM? I think it does, right? It changes the linker. I think it does. All right, so let me do Rust up. Let's just see Rust up upgrade. Maybe we can do nightly. How do we do this? How install? How do we? Let's. I don't often do this. Rust up latest nightly and nightly. Let's do that. Let's do Rust up latest nightly. Dude, if you do some research about your company, would they have such an advantage reaching out here in comparison to LinkedIn? Yeah, you're absolutely right. The tech man, you're absolutely right. You got it. It's a lot easier because we're chatting right now. We're live right now. So Rust up nightly. Let's see. I want to upgrade to the latest. Here we go. Oh, that's all we. Well, it's exactly the words that I use. All right, I should just try things a little more straight. Here's the thing I want to do. Goes to AI to find a solution for it. Oh, it's the thing I already thought of. So they might have done it, but usually they use a system linker. Okay, got it. Yeah. I know they did. So they did the Rust linker upgraded to LLVM. I know they did this. I know they did it. Rust official compiler uses LLVM for the backend and LLVM linker, and that just recently changed as of 190. It says as of 190, and we are on 193, so we're good to go. We did it. It's a single line in the build script. They might have done it. Okay, got it. Is there a build here? By cargo. I don't see the build here. Oh, anyway, get status, get reset hard, get poll. So we'll pull in your changes here. Let's see here. We're good here. And we can close that. Bring this back open. Nope. By src. Here we go. All right. Cargo build in the background. All right. So 196 GG. Here it is. There's you. If let error. Nice. I love it. I shall go to language Rust. I am from Python background, but would be great and opportunities full. There you go. I think that's the right answer. Just keep on going. Don't slow down. Even if you know, what do you call it? Python. Might as well learn other languages too. Do any employees in your company know about this channel? Yeah, they do now. They know now. They found it. They figured it out. I forgot to save a file yesterday. I spent like 45 minutes confused. Oh, wait. You did? That's a problem. That's definitely, Kyle, that's definitely a problem. What part of the, let's see here. Thank you for the likes. You guys appreciate it. How's it going there, Crypto Boogie? Oh, Crypto Boogie, welcome on in. Good to see you. I was asking which you would, good Rust or Golang, and what would you go with? I would go with Rust. Although Go is a lot easier to deal with. So in terms of like simplicity and easy to deal with, Python number 1. Go is okay. You could count that as number 2, and Rust is like way down there. Although Rust is going to give you a lot more. It's going to give you a lot more. Hey, how's it going, Crypto Boogie? Welcome in. I said I'm watching you. Aren't you scared? No, you're not scared. There's no scaredy over here. Although it does sound a little bit of scary. A little bit. Although, who's that? Who are you? Actually, I don't know who you are now. Who is that? All right, so now we've got this. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep walking through it. All right, so we've got direct store. What is this? Okay, so here is a bunch of early stopping metrics and indicators. Learner builder, metrics train. Interesting. Number of epochs. Wow, 5,000. Here, let's go up to 5,000 and let's see. Let's do cargo run. Let's do cargo run there. How many GFs do you have? None right now. We don't have any right now. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. I like it. Loss and learn rate. There we go. So this is learn rate. Okay. The loss dropping down. Looking good. All right. Training validating. I like it. See, this is one of the great things about Burn Library. You get this beautiful interface with a bunch of different plots, and you can move stuff around and see different plots. Isn't that neat? That's pretty neat. I like it. Rust requires you to know the equivalent of a same C++ and Haskell and a third language of a lifetime, isn't it? It is very tough. TUIs are nice. They are nice. Terminal user interfaces. Bro doesn't need anyone when he uses us. You got it. You got it, you guys. If you're here, that's the whole point. Because you guys are here. Because you guys are here. Eddie, give us the muffler. Yeah, give us the muffler, Eddie. I want to see it. Let's see. Did you post it in Discord over here? Wait. Yeah, what? End of submission on Sunday. All right. Torva, we've got our end of submission on Sunday, which means you have our hackathon that's happening right now. We've got our hackathon. He impresses girl with coding. I know, right? That's the best way to do it. Hey, check this out. Take a look at this. See my terminal window? Isn't it amazing? Isn't my terminal window amazing, you guys? It's so great. It's so great. I use Groovebox for my code for my syntax highlighting. Isn't that great? All right, let's see what else we got. Metric early stopping strategy. We kind of got that. Learning rate metric. Okay. All right. See, why? Why? Loss metric? Okay. Metrics. Oh, see, this is neat. Although, why is there 2 loss metrics here? Why is there 2 loss metrics? This is weird. This is very weird. What's going on here? I also made a bot that generates $50 per day and quits. Wait, minute markers. Minute markers, that sounds great. I can show you the exhaust. Nice, Eddie Legendary. That's the most beautiful terminal window. I know, isn't it? I think it is. Using Ghosty and Vim and Groovebox and Tmux, right? All those things. The first used to be accuracy. Oh, got it. It used to be. So we should probably add accuracy in here. What is it? Let's see. We need to look that up real quick. Let's look it up. All right. So burn Rust accuracy metric add to, what is this called? Learner builder. Learner builder. All right. Maybe we'll get some easy answers here from Gemini. Some easy answers from Gemini. Accuracy metric. Oh, there, it's right there. It's just called straight up accuracy metric. All right, let's do that. Let's add that in. All right, so we'll do accuracy metric there, and it's not defined. So where's loss? Loss metric. We'll do accuracy metric. There we go. And if we want, we can do like this, comma. There we go. Loss metric. Perfect. Perfect, you guys. Excellent. Now we can close that. Stop. Oh, S, Q, and then K, and then cargo run. Oh, wait. What did we do right? What's wrong? Did we do it wrong? What line is that on? It says 201. Oh, mismatched. Something mismatched. Okay, we'll figure this out. Is it really? Oh, okay, I got it. Typo. All right, there we go. Easy little problems. Oh, wait, just kidding. No, it's like, see, this is one of the things with Rust. It's like unsatisfied trait bound. Okay. Why? Why is that like that? Like this metrics? Is it like that? Is it tuple? No, it's got to be a tuple. Oh, why is it unhappy? Why is it unhappy now? We're trying. Let's see. Can you share your code, please? Yeah, actually, minute markers. It's shared on Discord. It's shared on the Discord. Never posted it. Never created it. What's up, man? How's it going? How's it going over there on the horizontal feed? Good to see you. All right. So, what is the deal here? Let's see. Trait bound. Look at this beautiful error message that you get to deal with Rust, isn't it? This is regression. It is. Yeah, you got it. I mean, obviously, because you wrote it. You wrote the regression. Let's see, guys, just learned Python basics. Where do you go from here? Spencer Port. Have you tried Keras? That would be a good one. Or have you tried Fast API? Check those out. I think those are net. Russ is telling you that makes no sense. Oh, okay, got it. It definitely is, isn't it? All right, so what if we take this and go over here and close that and go like that? Do we have to do one metric at a time? Okay, so it likes that. It seems to be fine with that for whatever reason. For whatever reason, it's totally fine with that. All right, so here, let's close K over here. Maybe can we add another metric so we can do accuracy metric like that? Can we do that? Is that something we can do like that? Or is it going to be unhappy? It still doesn't like it. Why? I want it. That's what I want. All right, let's see here. Let's see if this says anything else over here. Not that one. Here we go. Okay. Let's see, learner. Okay. Plot. Metric, train, numeric. Okay, so we have to add these things, it looks like. Metric, valid, numeric. Metric, train. Okay. So we have to add, it has to be this right here instead. Okay. Let's add that. Let's add this. Train plot. Okay. We'll add these two guys. We'll add these two right here. I think that's the idea. Can't work for regression. Oh, it can't work for regression. Why not? What do you mean? It can't work for regression? Why not? It seems like it should be able to. Because it's still, is it going to, metric plot doesn't like that. Metric train. Okay. All right. We'll try it. I don't know about that. I don't know. All right. So that's unfortunate because I guess we'll have to deal with that later. We'll deal with it later. But okay, got it. Accuracy requires category results. That makes sense. I get it. It could still have like how close it is to the linear output, right? So it could like it could still be like, I mean, obviously it would achieve 100% ish or 99%. I think that would still, you could still do accuracy calculations. Understood though, it only works for classification. Okay, we can make classification thing. Got it. Torvasintha exhaust. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out on Discord. All right, general chat. Hey, there it is. Check it out. Fast and Furious. All right, Toyota. Nice. You built it. It's real, Torva. You proved it. Or sorry. Wait, Eddie Legendary. You proved it. Eddie Legendary, you did it. To Torva. You did it, you guys. You did it. Isn't that neat? I think it's pretty neat. I think it's pretty nifty. Let's see here. If I miss any of your chat messages, let me know. Hey, Somalia. Hey, I'm back. By the way, what are we building? We're walking through the burn, sort of Hello World burn that Neva wrote for us yesterday. That's what we're doing. We're walking through it. We're walking through it to see how it's going. So we're trying, and we're messing with it. That's what we're doing. We're messing with it right now. We want to add the accuracy in, but it's not. Actually, see here. Over here. We'll hide that for now. I'll bring this back over here. There we go. Metric loss. Okay. Now it's all good again. We're just messing with it. That's what we're doing. We're messing with it. We need L1 distance. Okay, which is loose. Okay. You could also use L2 distance if you wanted. Is image generator? It could be. That's a good point. It looks real. Like I'm zooming in, and that looks like a phone. It looks like it was captured on a phone. So you could tell, see like the resolution. And I don't know of any current AIs that can do this resolution. So it looks real. It looks real to me. Learning rate looks good. Okay, loss, nice. Okay, let's keep going. Learner builder, which is the thing that we were messing with here. That also builds the entire learner, including all the graphics, including all of the user interface. Torva, I'll check this out. Is it beginner friendly though? The blur looks real, but ain't that smart. Oh wait, what do you mean? What about the not smart part? Okay. Let's see here. Let's keep going. All right. What else we got? Learn, schedule, config. Okay. This is neat. This allows you to have a dynamic learning rate, right? So that's like here. Was it still going? So if you go over here, you can see how it started up slow. It ramped up and then it went down. And then for whatever reason, now it's like shot straight back up, probably because it didn't finish an epoch or something. What happened? Train epoch, batch epoch. Oh, so this is weird. I don't know what's going on there. So this is odd right here. I don't know what this is. Why is it not a number? I don't get it. I don't get why it's not a number. All right, let's bring this back over here. Cosine, thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Spinter, the first part is extremely simple. The second part, I don't know, is mostly logic, but the programming itself is relatively simple. Uh, Makes sense. It makes sense. All right, what else we got? Cosine annealing learning rate schedule. Okay, so this part I get. So it's basically you're creating a half circle, and that's why you see it does this, and then it jumps up. So I don't know what that part is. This must be the scheduler, some sort of extra. So it starts off as cosine, and then it jumps up over here. It's kind of neat. I think this is pretty neat. I think it's pretty satisfying to see what that is. All right. What is this? Composed learning schedule. Okay. So this allows you to combine a learning schedule, which is right here. So you see how it bumps up, which is neat. I've never done that. I've done like linear backoffs and other kinds of learning rates. I haven't done anything fancy like this before. Nothing fancy like that. I took this from the MNIST example. No idea what they did. Okay. Got it. Understood. It's weird that it bumps up real fast up here. I'm not expecting that part right here. I wasn't expecting that. Is it metadata? Can add. SAMblog owner or SEO meta. What add an image generator can do? What? I'm saying your words, but I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, data set. This makes sense. I get the data. Oh, wow. Send, sync, and clone. That's a lot of stuff for a data set. Especially, okay. It's fine, I guess. I don't know. My data set here, you're implementing a data set for my data set. Get in length. Okay. So option self 0 cloned. Okay. So this is an item? I for item? Okay, so this is an item. Gemini tried and they can't get watermarks to work. Did they not? So I thought they did. I really thought they did. Oh, you really can't check that? Okay, got it. I see what you're talking about. You can see whether the AI generated the image or not. And I was very certain that Gemini in general, or the Nano Banana and things like that, they had like really good synthetic watermarks that allowed you to check. Also, how the diffusion works. And how sort of the bloom works when you zoom in on the picture, the pixels look different. It looks different on the pixels. So you should definitely be able to tell if something's AI generated. I've noted that there's a large group of developers who also play music. Did you ever get music, Steven? We did. I don't know. Here, let's see. Can you hear this? Here, let me play it. Do you guys hear that? Let me know if you hear that. There we go. Some music. Some Creative Commons music there. Now playing Discord link. Oh, by Steven's profile. You do that, yeah. It's kind of works unless you do 2 minutes of work by adding blur and changing the file format. Got it. Okay, so you can generate an image and then you can modify it enough to where another system is unable to detect that it's auto-generated. Yes, we hear it. Nice. All right, good. That's great. Okay, goodness. I was happy about that. I was wondering. Nice. All right, so we got some calm background music there. All right, what else we got? Data set, data loader, builder. All right, so data loader train. Here, so you've got a batcher, batch size, shuffle, seed, right? Because you need the seed to be the same as this seed. So one of the things that I'm less excited about, the things that I would want to see more from this, is the batch shuffling. Does it shuffle every epoch, or because I'm wondering, or does it shuffle once? Right? That's the thing I wonder. Or do you have to reload another data trainer and then go through another training process? That's what I'm curious about. I'm very curious about that. All right, so data loader, data valid. Looks good. You can hear in the the metadata if you have the image. You could. You could. I've noticed that. Let's see. Okay, over here. All right, let's keep going. What else we got? Okay, so here is the optimizer. This part I understand. I remember this one. With cautious weight decay. I didn't know you could do that. Weight decay. All right. So you could adjust the learning rate. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Okay, so there's Atom test step. What is this? Oh, so forward. Okay. So when you're training the model, you need to pass data through the model for the and then get the output, and then you calculate how wrong the model was. And so this is a single step. This is one step. Join the Discord. Play peacefully. Wait, is there what Where on what on the Discord? What? All right, let's click this one. We're here. Here we go. What does that mean? Plays peacefully. Eddie Legendary, what are you talking about? What is plays? All right, so here, what else we got? Valid step. All right, I understand this part. So this is, oddly, it's so much the same, right? Aren't they exact? Like, look at this extra code. Do you really? Is it really? It's just crazy. This is like identical code here. It's identical, and you have to have both. Like this extra stuff, I get that quite a lot. The TUI, right? The terminal user interface is very nice, and there's a lot of modular capabilities with it. It's just need the Discord link, Steven. Hey, Summit, it's in the pinned message. You should see it in the pinned message. I got ignored. Oh no, Kuma. Oh, what'd you say? Sorry, I missed your message. What'd you say? I missed your message. Maybe. What'd you say? Or it didn't show up. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, it's just stupid design. It repeats 3 times. Isn't it? I know, right? Isn't that crazy? Also, the fact that tensors have dimensions as a generic, not as needed. So this is the thing. So I was also wondering about this. Like, I'm really glad that did you comment this right here? I saw this right here. This part right here on the screen. Like, to me, since the output is 1, I want to say 1. However, you have to say 2. This is actually batch in 1 dimension, which is nice. It makes sense. I saw you. I saw you. Discord link on Steven's profile. There you go. Pin my message. In the pinned message. You got it. Hey, DWSP. Hey, man. Just drop in and say hi. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. We're walking through Neva's Hello World tutorial, essentially for the Burn library, which is rather advanced. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot. All right. Train step, train output, regression output. Where is this? Oh, interesting. Okay, forward regression. Got it. So, okay. We're seeing it. Hey, Mohammed, good to see you. Welcome on in. What language program? Hey, how's it going? Wilden? This is Rust. You guys. Okay, so L2 norm. Got it. Loss. Oh, interesting. Wait. Back to C. Where is this? See. Oh, okay. Oh, neat. Okay, so using L2 norm as a loss function. Got it. Okay. And then you're returning a struct output. There we go. Neat. Okay, that's pretty neat. You got it, Rust. The crab icon, you guys. The crab icon. The crab emoji is the mascot for Rust. Oh, God, it's Rust. I know, right? It's Rust. And so here's the deal. You can make Rust look really good. Like, you can. It could be wonderful. It could be wonderful. Exactly, Neva. All the crab emojis. So many crab emojis. So much Rust. So you're absolutely right. So this is Godot Rust. Here we go. So this, let's go out to see here. Book docs, API docs. Here we go. Do I want to look through this? Here we go. You can make a framework that is very clean and very easy to use. The challenge is the Burn library, although it's full featured, don't get me wrong, it's fully featured. The challenge is it's a lot. There's a lot to deal with. So that's one of the challenges. Although, Neva, thank you. How's the game going? Oh, we haven't got back to... So I do want to do... So we basically got to a stopping point on the game. And what I want to do next is, maybe we'll do that tomorrow on the stream. We'll take the game in the Python code and we'll just have an AI rewrite it in C# for Unity. That's what we'll do. We'll have it rewrite in Unity. I think that's a good idea. Whiff. How's it going? Quav 23. How's it? Quavo. There we go. Quavo. Good to see it. Might want to do Lua. Lua's great. Lua's fantastic. It's simple, clean, easy. You're good to go. No challenges. Because Lua is more similar. It is definitely more similar. Yeah. CCCFGGDF future. Okay. I don't know what you're saying. CF. All right. G. There you go. I don't know what you're saying. Is your cat on the keyboard? Oh, good game. GG. Good game. Okay. Where are we at here? I need to code something for little robot thing, but then I need to learn Arduino IDE, and I need to do that before 5. The 5th of December. You have 2 days. Eddie Legendary, you have 2 days. That's not a lot of time. Oh yeah, I forgot we were also playing tabletop RPG a while back. Oh, that's right. That's right, DWSAP. We were playing KDM and ISS Vanguard. Those are the games that we were playing previously. They're pretty good. I thought they were pretty good. All right, what else do we got here? So that was it. We basically looked through it. So we're using L2 norm for the loss and regression output as a common struct. So loss, output, and target. So you could do that. There we go. Loss, outputs, and targets. There you go. Loss, outputs, and targets. So that's kind of neat. That's kind of neat that they've got that pre-built in for you. That's pretty neat. Or the 6. Okay. The main annoyance is you have to do C++. I know, right? Isn't it? Arduino isn't that rough, at least. Simple stuff, but C++, right? It's O plus C++. All right. If you're feeling masochistic, you can do it in Rust instead of Arduino. All right, if you really want to. Yeah, you could. If you want to go a step further, build it in Rust. I mean, this is beautiful. I'm looking at a lot of beautiful code on my screen, there's a lot to it. Like, in order to achieve something in Rust, this is basically about the minimum that you need to write. Comparing that with Python, where you only have to write just a smidgen of code. It's just so different. It's so different. All right, so let's do a little bit more walkthrough, and then we can call it for today. Do it in the brain FK. Yeah, I know, right? The brain FK. That language is intentionally written for exploding your brain. Probably need to do something simple. Yeah, there you go. Something simple. That's the best way to do it. You got to start with something simple. All right, let's see. Is it so? Okay. I wonder if we can. So what can we do to modify this? Data sample. What is this right here? Data sample. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay, that's kind of neat. I like how you did that. Okay. Interesting. All right, I like this. Okay, I like this. All right, let's convert this into XOR. I want to convert this into XOR. So input would be, we'll do like a 1 and then a 0 0, and then a 0 1 and a 1, and then a 1 1 1, right? 1 1 1, and then a 0. Wait, did we do this right? Oh no, we got to go the other one. Let's do 1 1 1 here. All right. And then we'll do 0 1. There we go. Perfect. And then the target will be, I believe, right? It's 0 1, and then 1 and 0. There we go. I think it looks like that. So this is the XOR, and we got to do the same thing with this over here. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Might as well. It'd be exactly the same. There's no reason why not to. There's absolutely no reason why not to. All right, so that, although, what is our model? Where's our model at? Model, actually, let's see. What does that look like? Where is it? Where is it at? Where is it at? Linear activation. That might work. That might work. It seems like it should be able to work. You're ignoring the target? Oh, Nevo. Oh, ignoring the target. Wait. Am I? Wait, did I? Wait. No, I'm doing it right. Isn't this right? This looks right. We're going to try it out. Cargo build. Looks like it's doing okay to me. Old comment. All right, no worries. Search brain F programming language. It is one of the weird. Yeah, let's see. I'll see if I can bring it up on stream here. Brain F language. All right. Let's see if we can get some. Here you go. Here you go. All right. This is it right here. Look at this. Let's see if we can zoom in. There you go. I was kind of hard to see. It's like really blurry. That's super blurry. Let's see. There we go. That's a little bit easier to see. There you go. Does it make sense? Does it want to make you cry? I know, right? There you go. There's the language right there. There's the language. Can you deal with that? Not really. Not really. You don't want to. Like to write a compiler, not to code. Is fun. Is it? It is. Brain F is fun. What the actual? I know, right? Seriously, what are you supposed to do with that? What is it? Bits and bytes? Is that what this is? Binary, like ones and zeros, like plus and minus is 0 and 1s, and like the dot period and the brackets. Are those things like operators of some sort? Bit shifting? I don't know. It's a Turing machine. Is it? It's literally just a Turing machine. Oh, is it? I didn't even know about that. To move the head. Oh, got it. Okay, so you're moving in increments. Okay. So the plus is increment. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, so the loops are the brackets, decrements, multiple decrements with the negative and positive with the increments. Okay. I didn't know that. Nebo, that's really great. Thank you. You're teaching us how this works. What's a comma do? What's a comma do though? I'm kind of curious. Do you know what a comma does? Let's see what that looks like. What does a comma do? Kind of curious about that. All right. I don't know. Or IDR. Is that a thing? I don't know what IDR is. I think it's IDK. Okay, so that works. Cargo run. Let's see if we can make that one. I don't remember. Oh, IDR. I don't remember. Got it. Hey, there it goes. I knew we could make it work. See, it's all pretty in blue. Valid is blue, right? Train is red. Valid in blue. Hey, the validation and the red, they're all together. This is what you want to see. This is the kind of thing that you want to see when you're training an AI. Look, we definitely don't need any more. 1 second, activity. I'm very curious. I want to see if the GPU is being used. Is the GPU being used? No. Yeah, it looks like it is. Maybe. Is the CPU being used? A little bit. So the GPU is being used, yeah. So we're using the GPU. Let's see here. Let's see here. HTOP. All right. Nice. Okay. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. I like it. I like it. That's great. We're looking good, you guys. All right. Let's close this. Okay. Perfect. Is that coding language is the one with all the pluses and everything that you're showing? What is that? Oh, DWSP. That's brain and then an expletive. Brain expletive. Brain F. If you search brain F language, then you'll figure it out. Brain expletive. There is barely anything there. If you give it more data, it would use much more of it. I know, right? Because it's just 4 data samples. That's all you need. Hey, Tech for the future. Tech for the future. How's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Yeah, it's kind of a fun understanding agnostic language. I think it is. I think it is. Although, it is kind of difficult to understand. Like, I don't know what's going on here. I really don't. What is this? I mean, I get it now, right? So increment, decrement, and then you're moving the head, right? You're shifting, I guess, the reader, the focus point, brackets for loops, and then a comma. Who knows? And the period? Who knows? I don't know what it is. All right. So where do we want to go from here? All right. So we walk through it. It looks kind of neat. It looks cool, doesn't it? Carmu? It does. It does look cool. I think it's pretty neat. I think it may be input and output. Oh, there we go. There you go. Input and output. Some hard. Some hard. I was going somewhere. I'm new to your channel. Are you training a model in Rust? Yeah, we are. As you can see right here. Look on the screen. We're just training on the XOR data, though. Just training it on the XOR data. And as you can see, it seems to be doing what we want it to do. It seems that we do. Loss at 25%. It should be 0 loss. Oh, it bumped down to 0.25. Shouldn't it go down to basically infinity? Like, it should be basically infinite 0 is what we should be doing. Nothing useful, right? Yeah, that's all it is. It lets you print and read input. Oh, is that all it does? Okay, I thought it did a little bit more, but it just does keeps it simple. Like, you can FFI into C, so you can't do anything useful. Ah, got it. How long have you been an engineer? A captain? Hey, thank you for asking, Captain Do Work. Captain Do Work, or is it Captani Do Work? All right, we about maybe a long time, or really maybe 20 years at this point, a little while. And we're still struggling every day. We're still struggling. It's basically just a CPU that manually moved the change bits. That's what it sounds like, yeah. Sorry, coding language typo. I was trying to say, is there a way to make coding, and how would I go about doing that? Can you make your own coding language? Got it. Yeah, you absolutely can. You can do that anytime you want. There's nothing holding you back. You can do that right now. Make it very simple coding language, very easy coding language. You could build your own compiler, which compiles down to assembly, and then you target a specific CPU set, right, for your compiler. The output's the assembly, and then you just have a link to the operating system's super user or supervisor to make the system calls, and then you're good to go for like allocating memory and doing other things like that. And then you're good to go. Yes, you can, and it's fun. Hey, there it goes. We did it, you guys. All right. Hey, Neva, thank you so much for the tutorial and the walkthrough. That was really neat. I think it was pretty neat. What I want to do is see if we can increase. Let's see if we can increase the thing. Where is it? Linear. Neva, thank you. Appreciate it. That was great. \C. Linear. Okay, linear. Here we go. Can we do bigger? Can we do more and bigger? Here, I will do L3. Let's do L3. L3. We'll do 128. And then we'll make this 2, and then we'll make this 3. We'll go over here, kind of L3. Okay, and then we'll go over here, and we'll say L3. There we go. If the framework is good, I should not have to do any extra things from this point forward, right? You didn't have to do anything extra. People say Rust learning curve is high. It is. How hard is it? Already know C, C++, Python, Go, mid-level developer. It's still hard, even if you know some. Thank you for asking. It's still hard. I struggled learning it. It was a challenge. Good news, though. You've got good news. Check this out. It's great. So today, the compiler is a lot better. 10 years ago, it was the early days of Rust. It was a challenge to get using the compiler would not be very helpful. Also, you have a whole bunch of learning resources, and you have AI to help you as well. So it's not that bad as it has been. It's still bad though. It's still bad. It's not too terrible. I studied Rust in your position, and it was fine. Nice. But it's still rough. Yeah, it's still rough. It is. It's just a bit challenging. All right, let's see if that adjusts anything. I'm kind of curious. Is it gonna work? It seems like it. We're able to adjust a few things here. Really, just keyboard spam cat walking. Okay. Yep, cat on the keyboard, you guys. Cat on the keyboard. All right. Let's see. Is it going to work? Oh, I got it. Okay, I see what's going on. Okay. Ooh, I like how smooth that is. Look how smooth. Hey, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Now we're looking at our right way. This right here on the screen. I don't know if you can see it right here. Wait, not that one. This one over here. I was going to pause, but this is what I'm looking at right here. Actually, let's do Control V. Here you go. Like that better. All right. So it was a much lower than 0.25. Much lower than 0.25, you guys. See, now we're looking good. Just a little bit of an adjustment, and now you can make it infinitely smart. Infinitely smart. Let's look at the learning rate. I'm kind of curious. All right, that's good. Isn't that neat? Do you think we'll make it to -3? I don't know. I don't know if we'll make it to -3 or not. Malbogle is literally actively the worst language in possible design. Wait, what is that? Let's take a look at it. Malbolge. What is this? What is this? Malbogle is an esoteric programming language created by Ben Olmsted. All right, here, let's go over here. All right, zoom in. Let's zoom in on this. Specifically designed to be nearly impossible to use. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, yeah, that makes sense. Do you guys know what's going on here? Nope. No, you don't. If you wanted to make your own language and you wanted it to look like this, you can make it look like this. You can make it look like this, you guys. You can make it look like this if you wanted. Nebo, yeah, you're right. This is a rather obscene language. It's obscene. It took years until he got Hello World, really? I can see why. Outputs the byte of the data pointer as an ASCII character, comma, accepts 1 byte of input and stores it as the data pointer. Captain do work. What? What are you talking? Is that? What is this? Hey, it looks like something I was planning on night, but it's terrible coding. It's terrible. just looks like decrypted. It really does, right? You're right, Eddie Legendary. It looks like decrypted code. It looks like someone's trying to encrypt data, and it's in binary, and you've outputted in ASCII format, right? Like a base 64, but with symbols. So like base 128. He took a breakthrough. It looked like encryption and not a programming language. It definitely does not look like a programming language. It definitely looks like encryption. You got it. For BrainF. Oh, got it. The period. Period outputs the byte at the data pointer. Oh, thank you, Captain Do Work. Captini Do Work, thank you. All right, so the period is the data pointer as an ASCII output, and the comma accepts 1 byte of the input and stores it in the data pointer. Got it. That's more information. Thank you. Thank you, Captini Do Work. Oh, wait, I'm going to ask for AI something and see what it gives us. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's see, where did our AI go? Is it... Oh, we're almost to -3. Almost to -3. Sorry for the typo. Changed my interface on the keyboard and my phone, so I could do coding on my phone. Hey, that's awesome, DWSAP. That's a good idea. So you don't have to be sitting upright. You can just be laying down, typing on your phone, just like, hey, great, there we go. Now we're coding on our phone. It's the way to do it. That's the right way. That's the right way. Nice. That's great. All right. It's great to have you guys here. So what do we want to do now? How much time? Oh, we're over time. We're over time, you guys. We finished our hour. We're due 1 hour per day, at least 1 hour, or if we've got some meetings coming up. Is Golang really the modern microservice language? Golang is okay. Golang is the microservice language just because it's come built in with communication language, communication frameworks like HTTP, WebSocket, SSE, whatever you're looking for, gRPC, right? That's why Golang is amazing for microservices. It's built for communication. You don't have to import any external libraries to write the code for your microservice. That's one of the great things. And it compiles, so it's a little bit faster. It's still not as fast as, say, Rust or C. It's actually the speed about Java, which, don't get me wrong, is definitely fast. It's just not fast enough for my purposes. It's not fast enough for my purposes. I need it to be way faster. Oh no, we waste AI resources on Malgol programming. The Malgabolg. I made something in Blender. Want me to send it? Yeah, sure, Eddie Legendary. Do it. Send it on over. Meanwhile, Rust requires 10 libraries to do anything. It sure does, doesn't it? You got it. That's one of the things with Rust. It has a very bare standard library. A very bare STD library. Very bare. Very bare. Also, the AI libraries, we need something a little bit more easy to use than Burn is fine, although I'm struggling a bit to make it to my purposes. I suppose we could modify this a little bit more. Although regression works perfectly fine for what I want. It'd be nice to have the accuracy output. It would be nice to have the accuracy output on the screen as well. Let's see here. What happened to PHP? All right, I know no one talks about PHP anymore. PHP's been doing a lot of great things over the years. PHP is still great, very popular language. It's one of the most commonly used server-side language still to this day, other than maybe JavaScript, right? Node.js, Bun, Dino, those things. So PHP and WordPress go hand in hand. That's what WordPress is based on, and most of the website today, most of the internet is still WordPress, you guys. We can add that. It just needs to define the accuracy means here, but it's not really clear. Got it. Got it. I would very much like to do that as the last thing for the stream. Let's write a Rust library. I know, I want to do that. I want to write a Rust library that makes AI easy. Because right now, the Burn library, don't get me wrong, it is all featureful of all varieties of features, and it is wonderful. It supports all these hardware accelerators. It's great. It does not make it easy for an AI engineer to access it. It is a lot of code that you need in order to achieve something simple. So that is my biggest request from an AI or any framework, really. You don't want to bear the burden of extra work on the end user, right? That's the point of libraries, APIs, things like that, for simplicity purposes. That's for simplicity purposes. I don't know if Rust is a good language for it. Like, it's kind of annoying for this. It does kind of seem like it, right? It's not quite, but with Rust, you still can have simple Rust. You absolutely can. They just chose to take advantage of all the abstractions in Rust to make it not simple. That's what they did. They made it not simple. Well, before you go, I hope you have a good day. It's snowing here. I hope it snows for you. It might snow over here. We're in Seattle. Exactly. I would definitely design it in the sessions. Design decisions. Oh, design decisions. Yeah, exactly. Definitely different design decisions. I agree with you. Like, can make traits and stuff are simple. You absolutely, yeah, you're right. You're right, Nevo. We could, Neva. It is very simple. You could make it very simple. So that is something. See, Bevy. Yeah, right. Bevy is a good example, right? Bevy Rust. Bevy is a great example. Here, check this out. Look at this. There's some code around here. Learn. Quick start. Where's it getting started? All right, try the examples. Looking. I'm looking for a quick example. I know it's in here. Example. Is there another setup? Let's see here. I'm looking for some real code. Where's some real code? All right, they have it here. All right, let's go Bevy, and then there's an examples directory. There should be examples. Here we go. Let's take a look. Let's just take a look. Is there like a hello? There is. Here is an hello world. All right. See, this is a great start. Right there. Great start. Easy. 10 lines of code. Getting the Bevy system set up. Right here. And you're off to the races. Isn't that great? Okay, so. All right. Now, let's look at a different one. Is there, let's see here. Let's look at, there's like a 2D. Is it maybe this one? Well, okay. There's a lot going on here. Like, is there a simpler one? Math, shader, scene, time, tools, UI, WASM window. So I remember seeing Bevy. I want to show you guys. I just want to like, there's got to be, what's ECS? Okay. So here, a position, a point. Okay. Entity, struct, U64, print. Each one is a different example. Sent in Discord. Wait, what'd you send in Discord? Oh, thank you. A Bevy link. Let's see here. Oh, hey, a little pretty snowing picture. Addy Legendary right here. We can see Addy Legendary. Thank you. That's very festive. You got the candy canes and snowing in a glob cabin. There you go. I like it. It's not like one with 20 files. Yes, that would be nice. At least, right? At least it's not 20 files, or is it? So, see, look at this. This is clean. Right here. Let's just zoom in on this. All right. See this kind of extraction. So you've got a custom defined function with some commands that you can use, and then you can spawn another entity, right? Add it to the scene. Look how clean that is. It's just really simple. Add systems, add updates, run. And then you can just keep adding more into it. And it looks very clean and simple, right? Very clean and very simple. That's what I like about it. It's just a lot nicer. And as you can see here, there's no generics. It's just all function calls. You got some tuples in there. Here, check this out. It's just great. You've got, by reference, mutability, like no challenges here. It's all easy. It's all beautiful. By the way, Steven, I'll send you a STH in the mod chat. There is a hacker or an exploit on stream. Not harmful, but don't know whether YouTube side or yours. Oh, that sounds dangerous. Let me know. Be here about it. Yeah, this looks so clean, isn't it? It's just a lot nicer to use, and it's easy to read, and it doesn't require a bunch of traits something that's working. It looks great. It's wonderful from that perspective. It's faster but harder. Yeah, you're right, Kyle. It is. You're totally right. It is faster and it is harder. It's just a library. I'm not a huge fan. Here you go. PyTorch is nice. Burn library makes PyTorch look amazing. It makes it look amazing. Yes, Stephen, but the more specific the human readable code is, the more control you have. Yeah, I agree with that at the assembly level, right? Something like that. Basically, it depends. How your language can be so abstract. If you write a language, you can write it so abstract that it's very far removed from the assembly. You could write a language that's very close to the assembly, which is like C, C++, and Rust is pretty close to assembly. So you can do that as well. And I don't know, that's how it goes. I think I prefer it to TensorFlow though. TensorFlow with Keras, I would say definitely is easier. Yo, bro, I've just got hired. Hey, you did? User ID 22028. You got hired. Nice. As a WMS junior op. Congratulations. That's great. Yeah, Nebo, I like PyTorch better. I feel like there's just a lot more like flexibility with it as well. And then Keras, I would say, is easier to use because it doesn't force you. It does a lot of the extra stuff for you, like training loops and things like that. Got it? You got it, Kyle? Nice. C++ is super abstract, which is hard. It is. Yeah, C++ has a lot of abstractions as well. You got it. Bye, Torva. All right. See you guys. I'm actually headed out as well. We got to get going. Nice. Nevo, thank you so much for writing this beautiful code for us. Appreciate it. You're wonderful. You're absolutely wonderful for doing this. It was great to walk through it and see how things are all set up with the optimizer, the data loader. It was great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Nice. Yeah, you're nice. You're nice for doing this. Thank you. And then getting to see how it works. That was a lot. And then you ran it with WebGPU, which is portable. It's really nice with portable. Very nice. I got hired too. Kyle, I'm selling computers on commission. There you go, Kyle. All right, let's sell those computers. It's Christmas time. You got a quota, I bet. You got a quota. Hey, JG, thank you for the 600 joules hot cocoa. Whoa, thank you. Whoa, that's amazing. All right. Happy holidays to you guys. Happy holidays. Thanks, dude. You're the first person I've said today. It was really a roller coaster. Right. Nice to see. Nice too. All right. The user ID. That was great. Congratulations again. Thank you, guys. Congratulations on your getting hired. Hey, Ming. How's it going, Ming? We're just headed out. It was good to have you here today. We'll be back tomorrow. I think tomorrow what we want to do is we'll jump back to the game that we made and see if we can get it to run on what do you call it? Unity. On Unity. We'll see if we can get it run on Unity. We take the base game. This is what we'll do. We'll take the base game, basically our prototype that we wrote, and then we'll convert it, like basically what Kyle did. We converted the game and made it better. What we'll do is we'll first port it over to C# in Unity, and then we'll use AI to like up level it. The way that Kyle did. The way that Kyle motivated us to do it. I must say you're given a lot of motivation. Hey, nice. That's great to hear. Great. And Kyle, thank you so much as well. That was good motivation. All right, everyone. Hey, Eddie Legendary, Neva, thank you. Kyle, it was great to see you. The Last Attack, if you're still here. Torva, everyone, it was great. Great to all have you here. We're headed out. We'll be back tomorrow. My heartfelt thanks I render unto each of thee for attending this humble stream. I pray, let us meet anon upon the morrow to share in mirth and discourse once more. All right, Torva, thank you for the quote. I'll definitely be here tomorrow. What time? Let's see. Thursdays are usually tricky. Let me double check. It might be a little bit later. We'll see. Thursday. Maybe, I might be able to do it 9 a.m., but that is a big maybe. Or after 12. So 9 a.m. tomorrow or 12. We'll put it in the Discord, you guys. Thank you. Amen to that. You got it. All right, everyone. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be probably porting our game over to C#, and we'll see what that looks like. We'll be using AI to do that. So we already wrote it in Python. Now we're going to have the AI write it for us in C#. That's the plan. All right, everyone. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.